Uh-oh, some more hot rodder troublemakers in the yard.
How y'all doing today?
Pretty good. It's Dre. Hey, Dre, how you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Good. Tell us a little bit about your car, man. I'm gonna put this on my channel.
Oh, perfect. So it's 6'3" Impala. So the way I got it, I traded a 93 Skyline for it. So everything got done. The bodywork got redone. All the floor pans, trunk pans. The interior got custom done. And
Let's go look at that interior too while you're talking.
the paint and everything got redone. New carpet. I'm working on the headliner right now, so that got taken out recently.
Well, I won't look up at it. How about that?
Yeah, don't look up. And then the way the color came about, I had my daughter choose color. She wanted to go purple, so I was looking at House of colors, and I was like, okay, I'm going to get everything powder coated. So I ended up getting everything powder coated under the hood.
Nice.
Trying to find out, when you look it online, the colors are different. So we had pretty much matched colors to match everything.
Nice. I love that color. It's pretty.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
Yes, sir. So you got a grand total of about $300 into the whole thing. we don't talk about dollar value. We don't talk about price.
On the wall, so how much it is.
Yeah, I got all my receipts for my 39. I'm not going to add them up.
Yeah, hurt your feelings when you do. You're like,
I know it won't. It might hurt my wife's feelings. You realize we could have bought a bubble. Got some sparkle going on the roof up there. Nice. Are those 13s?
They're 13. No, they're 14.
14s, okay. And you gonna put some hydraulics on it soon, or?
It's going on hydraulic.
Nice. There's Juan over there hiding. There's Becky, my wife. You seen her? You remember when she had the camera and she was doing like this? Yeah, that was her.
It's not very nice.
I didn't say I was. All right, let's walk around the back side of it. Got the old Impala. Too bad it didn't have SS on it, but that's all right.
Exactly. It's the SS trim.
Right.
It's not the actual SS.
Of course, you'd probably have some haters if it was a real SS anyway.
I did LED tail lights too.
I saw that, man. They look good, man. They look good.
Thank you.
That's the only way to go, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna put a third brake light on it or no?
No, I'm probably leave it as is.
I don't want to show you mine.
They have the in the emblem.
Uh-huh.
The brake light is there.
Oh, okay.
So I forgot what side I was on. I seen it. I was like, that's pretty cool.
I hear you.
I'm thinking about it.
Well, I won't show you my 39 one on 39, the third brake light. You'll want it.
I gotta find somewhere to do alignment real good. You see that front?
Yeah.
It's the only one that's doing it.
Ah. Let me know when you find a good alignment shop around here.
I will. My guy that was in at Family Tire, he left.
Oh,
Last
really?
time I seen him, he was on base. He's like, well, I'm trying to go to FRC. Well, I'm here if you need alignment. I haven't seen him since. I was like, man.
I hear you.
The only person I trust, because he did the Skyline's alignment. Because a lot of people are like, oh, we can't align it because it has camber. Yeah. But he knew the toe is what fixed it. So these roads around here every 4 months, I hit a bump and you start realizing that it was off by the way the
Oh, yeah. So Dre's over here. He needs me to drill some holes for his brackets so he can put his mirrors on there so he can see what's behind him. As long as it's not the ones with the blue and red lights or the blue lights.
Has it in there, just not in the rear.
So, all right, well, that's all for now. This is Dre and his Impala, badass Impala. More to come. He'll keep us updated. All right, Dre. All right, tell him, Dre. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
There you go. All right, dude. Later.